I think the important thing is that Italy now has a government that intends to put the interests of its own country and its own people first, and as long as it stays true to that principle, it will do the right thing. Now, it is possible that the European Union will help Italy in its migrant crisis. It is possible that the European Union will allow the elected government to put in place flat tax and the other big economic reforms that they want. But if, and it's only an if, you were to reach a point 10, 12 months down the road where the elected, legitimate government of Italy was not allowed to do the things its voters asked, then perhaps you have a different conversation. Brexit, Trump, the big changes in the world, the Italian government, basically what's happening is people are saying, we want the nation state to be the building block that we respect, and we absolutely demand that our government looks after our interests first. And I do genuinely believe that those two political parties will do that in the case of Italy, and who knows, maybe this place will listen. They didn't listen to us and we left. So maybe they'll listen to Italy. Maybe Italy will get what it wants. I can't predict the future, but it's going to be a fascinating battle.